Introducing HYPERSTOCK Inventory. Here, on Startup, you can see the inventory page. You can see all SKUs here. Here the first is current stock and second is available stock. You can select the stock location from here. To change stock, click here and enter the value. And then click on Save. You can apply filters from here. These are some available inbuilt filters. You can see that data has been filtered. To reset all filters, click on Filters, then Reset, and OK. You can view inventory details by tapping on a particular SKU. You can edit details from here. Once you're done, click on Save.